Welcome to all of you to this new video of the iSocial web channel. In it, we are going to explain today a way to integrate all BigQuery analytics with OpenAI that has many features. And here we bring you a small example. The first thing, obviously, is to have the query prepared in BigQuery. In this case, for example, it is a function that analyzes the data table, let's say, which is the GA4 account of iSocial web from March 1 until yesterday. Which are the pages per user that have had the highest exit page, that is to say, which have had the highest exit by the user. Here it is listed from the query, the result, and the interesting part is that once we run it, we can explore data and explore in the Colab notebook. What this does is it opens up a structure that is basically already prepared. This one here with the localization project, and this part here, which tells us a little bit what the result described has, which gives us a little bit of the information that we have. What we add is all the OpenAI authentication. Obviously, we install all the necessary dependencies. And then what we do is to avoid the problem of the maximum number of tokens of the 4,000 that Vinci has 0003. What we do is we work by Pareto, and what we say is, hey, look, take these outputs, calculate the total, and then give me 20% of the URLs that have 80% of the outputs. So I focus on the ones that have the most impact. And with that, what I do is, once I extract that information, what I do is I enter it into the prompt here. That is, you are a data analyst. You have downloaded the data from a website which shows the loss of users by URL. That is the URLs by which the user has left, text, analyze this data, and indicate what actions and on which URLs you would act to improve the conversion, to improve the user experience. Vinci 0003, the maximum tokens we can change, and what it returns is this. It returns the URLs that it would act on. This is interesting because it gives us, I think it's 5 versus... You can see it here, 523. Then it gives us actions. Some are not specific, obviously, but it does give us logic on the evaluation of usability, to improve navigation, to restructure the information. That is, maybe that part, if we improve, the user does not leave because he does not understand. At the end, the exit does not know if it is because he has complied and he is leaving, or that it is really an unsatisfactory search. So it would be interesting here to work on usability, to improve the information, but also see here that the part of improving navigation is also being worked on. Especially on this page, what is interesting here is that it is telling us, hey look, maybe to improve the exit, which is correct. You can continue improving the navigation. So those would be some proposals that OpenAI would give us, which is interesting to me that in some way what we are, obviously with limitations of the prompt, what we are integrating is the BigQuery queries, which are data. In the end, it's a data frame what it returns, which is the one you can see here. It doesn't explain it. I mean, we can't make it interpret it. It's not very robust, but it can give us ideas about where to attack. Hey, what are the URLs that you would attack? For example, another variant to this would be, take all those URLs, take the path only, and try to categorize the URLs because, for example, I don't know, this part here, artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence. Maybe the artificial intelligence group has a lot of exit rate and therefore it should be worked on that set. That would be the idea. That's the collab and nothing. I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.